So as you can see, here is my recent earnings from just one of the affiliate network platforms that I'm on, using mainly this powerful strategy that I will be revealing in just a moment. So you can see here, today I made over $1,000, and yesterday almost 900. This shows the power of this strategy if you apply yourself and take massive action. This strategy works with Clickbank or any other affiliate networks, and best of all, it is a completely free method to get started on earning money online. If you clicked on this video, chances are you want to learn how to promote Clickbank products and start making money online. Maybe you've heard about this amazing money-making opportunity that you can start from scratch, starting with as little as 30 minutes a day. This is a strategy where we will be getting lots of free traffic to our affiliate links, which will result in clicks and ultimately sales. But before we get started on this method, I would like to show you results from some of my viewers that have been taking action on this method for some time. Here is Alani, who has made around $1,000 since she started applying this free traffic method along with other methods here on this channel. And here is Charles, who has made his first sale within a week after using this free traffic method. Now you see that others just like you are getting real life-changing results from this strategy, and I'm hoping you take action on this method and get great results too. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, the first thing that you need to do is come over to Clickbank and sign up for a free account. So just go ahead and click on Start here. Next, click on I want to promote Clickbank products as an affiliate. Then hit Sounds Good. And then you can just say, I'm just getting started, and I want to quit my day job and be my own boss. Then yes, I have consistent traffic. Finally, add your email here and click Submit to start your free Clickbank account. Once you have signed up, the next step will be to click over here and head to the marketplace. Once you've done that, it will bring you over to this section where you can scroll through and find all these different kinds of categories. The good thing is that this strategy can work with almost any category. But for the sake of this video, we will go with the e-business and e-marketing category. So once you have chosen your category or niche, you will have access to a wide range of products that you can promote. For instance, if you choose the self-help category, you will see a list of products related to self-improvement, personal development, and more. Or if you choose the health and fitness category, you will see a list of weight loss products, etc. So, the next thing you want to do is go here and sort the products from gravity high to low. This will place the top selling products at the top of the list. A gravity score of 30 is usually good. As you can see, this product has a gravity score of over 300, so this product is just selling like crazy. A product with a high gravity score is a good indication that a product has a high conversion rate, and if other affiliates are having success with high converting products, chances are you will have success with them too. So take the time to find a high converting product that you like. Over here is the average amount per dollar that you make per sale of the product. So in other words, I will make around $20 per sale of this product. Once you find a good product to promote, you want to click here where it says promote. Then click create a hop link. This will create your affiliate link. Next, copy the link. I like to save mine in a notepad or something similar. Now we want to get free traffic to our affiliate link. My beautiful people, if you are enjoying this video up until this point, I kindly ask for you to smash the like button. It would mean the world to me. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go down the bottom right now and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notified for new free videos so you don't miss out on new ways to earn money online. So now, what we want to do next is come over to this website called freeadvertising247.com. This is an amazing traffic source platform where you can run free ads to your products. And I will be showing you how to set everything up in just a matter of minutes. So as you can see down here, here are ads from other people. A great thing is you get to see how many views these different types of ads are getting. For instance, this ad is 12,000 views since it was last posted. And this one, over 49,000. So now, first things first, come over here and add your affiliate link. Once you've added your affiliate link, you then need to select a category. Make sure to choose the most applicable category for the product you are promoting. For the sake of this video, I will be choosing the business opportunities category since this is closely related to my niche of choice. Now what we want to do is complete this ad. So as you can see here, we need to enter a short title and a description before we submit this ad. Also, if you look over here, it's going to show you what your ad will look like. Now let's head back over to Clickbank so we can get information on this product. On Clickbank, every single product has an affiliate page. This is essentially a resource page where you can get email swipes, banners, videos, etc. All of these resources will help you anytime you are promoting any type of affiliate product. So, with that being said, all you need to do is click here on the affiliate page of your chosen product. This will bring you to a page that looks like this. Every single one will look different. So as you can see here, this particular product has an option for you to select a few different landing pages to test and see which one has a higher conversion rate. You will just need to place your affiliate link in here and select the landing pages you want to preview. So now, let's grab our short title and description so we can finish creating our free ad. You first want to find the section that lists the email swipes. Once you are there, choose one of the email swipe titles to use for your ad title. You only have a limited amount of characters to use for the title, so make sure you have a catchy title that makes sense. You may need to be creative. If you're having a hard time coming up with a catchy creative title, you may go to the site called contentrow.com. This is a site where you can generate clickbait titles by simply putting in a pre-existing title. Once you have your title, come back over to freeadvertising.com and enter in your title here. So next, let's get our description, and for that, we will simply use the body text from one of the email swipes. You may copy and paste the body text from the email swipe. This is fine, or if you'd like, feel free to be creative and make changes to the body text for your description. Just remember that you have a limited number of characters to use, and you can't add this whole article of text. So make sure you take about 2 minutes to sort out what you would like your description to be. Don't worry about having a perfect description, but you might want to consider adding a call to action at the end of your description. For instance, something like, click here for more information, or click here to learn more about this product. Just create your call to action based on whichever product you're promoting. So now, once you scroll down, you may add your name here if you'd like. However, this is just optional. You don't need to add your email either. Now here, you have the option to run paid ads, but I highly recommend that you start running free ads first. Then once you've made a few sales, you can use the money you've earned to run paid ads, which will lead to more clicks, and more clicks equals more sales. So now, you can check here to make sure you're happy with the way your ad copy looks. Next, you can ignore all of this and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Enter the code and submit your ad copy. And there you have it. If you've made it to the end of the video, then give yourself a pat on the back. You are destined for success, and I'm so proud of you. Like any great achievement in life, consistency is key. So stay consistent and never give up. I hope that you got value from this video. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new ways to make money online. If you have any questions, please post in the comments section of this video, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Until next time, my beautiful people, goodbye.